Did you know that the average millionaire has more than one source of income? Hi there. If you want to make an extra 40,000 Rand every month, then the Book Wealth system is going to help you to reach your goal in just 25 to 30 days. And the best part is you don't need any experience, plus you can get started for free. You can choose from two options. One, the 100% free member option that can make you up to 1,500 Rand. And two, the VIP member option that costs only 150 Rand. For 150 Rand, you get 6 digital products, plus you can easily make over 40,000 Rand every month. Making money with the Book Wealth system is very easy. You just give away the free profit-making ebook that we give you. Yes, you just give away a free PDF ebook and you make money. We do all the hard work for you and create your money-making ebook for you. Every free ebook that you give away has the potential to make you 50 Rand. So if you give away 50 free copies of your ebook, you can easily make 2,500 Rand. All you just have to do is to share your free profit-making ebook with your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook, and you make money. Once you register, we are going to show you the easy steps for you to start making money with Book Wealth today. Remember, you do not need any experience, and you can even start making money as a free member. All our Book Wealth members get paid every week on Tuesdays. This is the easiest way for you to make money. You just give away free ebooks and get paid every week. Register today.